Hey there YouTube, got another fun project that I'm working on. This is another remnant that I got that I'm going to use to make a top for this table base that I had previously welded up. So first things first, I'm going to get this one trimmed down to the size and all four edges polished, and then we'll go to prepping the base and then we'll slap it all together. So stick around. Thanks for watching. Okay, first cut is set up. Got a straight edge clamped down. So we're gonna make that cut and move on. Okay, so we got all the edges polished. So next up, it'll be working on the base. Here we go. All right, next up we got this sanded. So we're gonna give it a couple coats of flat black and see how it looks. Okay, next up I am going to pre-drill for these rubber foot bumpers that I'll put on each of the corners, and just attach those with some self-tapping screws. Then we'll do a little bit of touch-up paint and flip it on its end, and we'll be ready to put the top on. So here we go. Go. Okay, so we'll do a little touch up now that we got it on its upside down. Of course, this isn't very important because it's never going to be seen, but we'll do a little touch up, flip it over, and get ready to put the attach the top. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes and then flip it over, and we'll start getting ready to attach the top. Okay, next up, I'm going to place a quartz top on here and use some shims to lift it up one edge at a time. Get some adhesive on here and then let it down and let it set, and we should be good to go. All right, that's right where I want it. So I am going to probably clamp this end and lift this end with shims and silicone here, drop that, and repeat the process. So. Okay, I'm just using this Loctite Power Grab Ultimate, and it's good for indoor or outdoor. Of course, this is going to be inside, but we're just going to put a bead in there and then drop this end and do the same over there. All right, that does that. I'll throw a couple more clamps on here and we'll let it set up. It says it's instant grab, which it sure did seem like it wanted to grab on. So I think we should be good pretty soon. Well, here's the finished product. Quartz top, steel frame. It's heavy, probably about 100 pounds, and solid. And yeah, all for about, well, less than 50 bucks. I'll try to figure out the cost exactly and put it in the description. But yeah, pretty pleased with it. So this is going to my sister, and I think she's got a pretty good coffee table. So thanks for watching.